Y'all, Outre is back in action with this one. They done restocked Katya.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with an oldie but a goodie from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Katya and the color number 2. And yes, honey, this unit was restocked. I have reviewed it in the past, but I figured I would just pick it up again with the restocked version to just show you guys the difference and see if there's any changes with this restock, if they did a secret little revamp. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with an elastic band. It is pre-plucked. It has your HD lace. It does come with baby hair. This does come with that 13x6 parting space. It does also come with a faux scalp, and just like in the past, I did just go in and remove that faux scalp because that ain't doing this unit no justice in my opinion. It's just no, it's a no for me. So I did go in and remove that faux scalp. So definitely note, this will not be how it looks for you unless you go in and remove that faux scalp, and I highly recommend it if you want to make it look as realistic as possible. So let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline's looking like. So this unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees. The length on it is pretty long, you guys. I'm 5'3" for reference. When it's all to my back, this bad boy definitely comes like to my butt. So let me just show you guys what the length is looking like. The density on this one is definitely leaning more towards 150%. I wouldn't go as far as saying it's 180%. That is also definitely a difference that I'm noticing with this unit. This one does seem a little bit thinner, and as far as the texture is concerned, it is yaki-ish, but this one definitely feels a bit more silky than the previous Katya. So I feel like with this restock, what I'm noticing so far is the texture is a little bit different. The density is a little bit different. It's nothing too crazy, but I can say from what I'm feeling, anything, the quality does not seem as good as the original Katya. Now, I'm not saying that the quality of this one is trash, but I feel like the original Katya was just blowing it out of the water for me. This one I still feel like is gorgeous, but it definitely doesn't seem like it's gonna last as long as the original Katya. I did not get any tangling or any shedding or anything like that, but I feel like just based on the texture that I'm feeling from it, the closest thing that I could say it reminds me of is if you had the original Katya and you went in with a flat iron and kind of just straightened some of those kinks out, so you can see that there are those little crinkles in there. It's also giving like blowout vibes, as far as like it kind of seems like it's been flat pressed already. So I'm not really noticing a major difference so far, but I am noticing some low-key differences that I do feel like will affect the overall long-term wear of this unit, so definitely be aware of that. As far as the cap construction is concerned, this one is absolutely small, medium, and big head friendly, y'all. I haven't needed to adjust the straps on a unit in a while, and I have to absolutely adjust the straps on this one, so definitely note if you do have a bigger size head, this one is going to be for you, honey. Luckily I was able to get it to lay down the way that I wanted to, so the fact that it's super big head friendly really wasn't an issue for me, but this is going to be a plus for you guys who have a large size head. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only kind of con-ish I want to say is just going to be the fact that it's leaning more towards along the line of silky, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it does still have some yucky features in it, so I still do like it and I still would pick it up again. Like I said, I feel like the differences so far aren't super major, but definitely something to note that the quality itself does not seem as good as the original Katya, so this one may not last as long, but I do still feel like you can get away with wearing this one every day, but I probably would cut it down just based on the length of it, because like I said, it's super long. So the pros on this unit are going to be the hairline, the texture still ish. I feel like the texture is still pretty good. The hairline, the fact that it's pre-plucked, the look that you get when you remove the scalp, the fact that it's realistic, the look of it, the fact that it was a throw on and go. I feel like all in all, this restock, I'm here for it. It wasn't as good as the original, but it's still pretty good in my opinion. So that's pretty much what I would say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.